Welcome to Airedale Springs. Manufacturing high-quality springs that make a difference not just to your business, but also the environment. We've been crafting precision-engineered springs and wire forms for over 80 years. Today, we're proud to combine state-of-the-art machinery with traditional skills and attention to detail. Manufacturing high-quality products created with care, expertise and experience, each one tailored to your exact requirements. Exceptional customer service is at the heart of everything we do. We're dedicated to understanding your unique needs and providing personalised support that ensures you get the right solution every time. Rest assured, our approachable and professional team are here to make your experience seamless from start to finish. But there's so much more to us than just springs. We're also an award-winning carbon-neutral business. Operating from our net zero facility, we're proud to be leading the way in environmentally responsible manufacturing. It's why, when we talk about sustainability, we mean it. Our carbon reduction plan guides every decision we make, helping us reduce our environmental impact year on year. If you're looking for a trusted partner who goes beyond just manufacturing to deliver both quality and a commitment to a greener future, Airedale Springs is the perfect fit for you. Get in touch with our friendly team today and see how we can make a real difference to your business.